Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to lock apps in Redmi 13C device. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to settings. After that, search for app lock here. So as you see, we have app lock option here. Just click here and then turn on the app lock. After that, set the password. If you want to set pattern, so just apply pattern. And if you want to change password type, so just click on change password and select the type. I am selecting pin. After that, just enter the pin here, 4-digit pin, and then re-enter the pin. After that, click next. So as you see, this app lock window appear. Now just click on not now and then again tap to not now. Okay. These are the apps selected already. If you want to select these apps, so just leave, and if you want to select only some apps, just select those apps and then unselect all. Okay, now click on use app lock. If you want to add fingerprint also, so you can also add fingerprint, but I don't need fingerprint now, so just click cancel. So as you see, these 8 applications are now locked and these applications are unlocked. If you want to select any other application also, so just enable it. Like I am selecting WhatsApp business, so just enable it. Now 9 applications are here. Now go back and let's see the result. Let's open the gallery. And as you see, it requires a password, so just enter a password. Now I can easily access the gallery. So this is how we can use app lock in Redmi 13C device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.